application software. System software and application software. System software. Sir, what is the system software? System software means, sir, every machine by default hardware components are available there. If you want to install any software like Java, Selenium, Python, anything, system software is required. That is OS is required. That is called a system software. That's why this is also called as a BIOS, basic input and output system. Basic input and output system. Sir, why these are used? Just now I'm telling now. If you want to install anything, OS is required. Without OS, we won't do anything. These are used to provide an interface among components. Example, OS, device drivers, etc. That is a system software. Next category, application software. Application software means front ends are what we are seeing. Suppose if you open any application, if you open the Google, what we are seeing, that is called as a front end. Yes, it is called as a front end application. Every application, two ends are there, front end and back end. Application. So that's why yeah, I will go Ashok. So this is also called as a front end application. These are developed based on user business needs, whereas front end is used to manipulate data into database. That is called as a front end. So in the application software, different categories are there. Like desktop applications, web applications, enterprise applications, distributed, mobile app. That's the category. Desktop applications. Yeah. Or else these applications are called as a standalone application. Yes. The desktop in general, everyone knows about that. The application which is running on single computer is called as a standalone. Suppose if I want to go to the calculator, it is a one desktop application. MS Word. Suppose if you want to take MS Paint, you can take. That is also one desktop application in this one. So in a single computer, if I am running any application, that is called as a standalone or desktop applications. The application which are running on a single computer is called as standard applications. Two types of standard applications are there. One is CUI based. Second one is GUI based. So CUI based applications are running, but console based applications. These are running only through the console only. Console means from the command prompt. Yes, from the command prompt we are running. That is called as a CUI based. Applications which are running through console are called as GUI based applications. That's why these are also called as console apps. Example, any Java program. Java programs are running through console based. But what about GUI based? GUI means graphical user interface. These are called as a desktop applications. Applications which are running with graphical user interface and called as GUI based. They're also called as a desktop applications. MS Word, etc. Next, web applications is a second category. Web application, since everybody knows about that. So the applications which are running through the server, example Google is there a web application only. Suppose my site is there, SELENIUM Mahesh, anywhere you can access. US students they are accessing, UK students they are accessing, India students are accessing. Yes, this is called as a web application. Now, all services I can provide into one server. To access that, one web client is required. That is called as a browser. Now, sir, I am taking one server. In the server, all my services are there. Yes, how can I access from the server? One web client. Web client is nothing but a browser. Chrome browser, Firefox, one browser is required. By using a browser, I can access my application. I'm given request and I'm getting the response. That is called the web client. Yes. So here first find the applications which can provide services over the web are called as web applications. We can develop web applications by using web technologies. Servlets, JSP, PHP. Next. Web application will be hosted on special computer which is known as a web server. Web application will be hosted on a special computer which is known as a web server. From the server I want to access a web client is required, that is browser. Without browser not able to open web application. So by using web client, nothing but a browser. End user will send a request and the web server will process the request and requested response to the client. Web client will display the response to the end user. Yes. Sir, web servers are market so many of the Tomcat Jetty like that. Sir, web application will be represented in the form of var file. Every web application will be represented in var file form. What is the meaning of the var? Var means web archive. Web archive. Is the compressed file which contains all the resources of the web application. Third category. Enterprise applications. Said every day we are using application, that is only. Enterprise means some more advanced, more superior. Enterprise can be implemented by JSP, EJB technologies like that. Best example, enterprise applications are banking applications. Are more security we can provide it. OTPs, okay, security will be available. That is called as enterprise applications. These applications are more superior to the web applications. We can develop enterprise applications by using technologies, web technologies. Servlets, JSP, EJB, etc. Banking applications, e-commerce, telecommunications, all are called as enterprise applications. How it will be represented? Enterprise applications can be represented in a compressed form. Which is nothing but year file. Enterprise archive. That is nothing but a build file. So var means web archive. Here means enterprise archive. Enough. So three applications I explained: desktop applications, web applications, Next, another important note. So these enterprise applications be distributed across several machines. These enterprise applications can be distributed across the several machines. Such a type of applications are called as distributed application. Sir, what is the main advantage means? Suppose, sir, telecommunication applications, sir. These applications will be divided into the several. Suppose, present I'm in one area. It is taking signal to nearest tower only. If I move to from here to another place, it is taking in that nearest tower. So every time failure chance is very less. If one signal is not there, it is taking another one. So the main advantage of distributed applications. Scalability. No fail over situation. Yes, last category. Mobile applications. So mobiles in general, in your mobiles every day you're using so many apps are there. WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, okay, Instagram, Google Pay, Phone Pay. So many apps you're using. Book My Show, number of apps. Because everybody knows about these mobile apps. The applications which are running on mobile device. Mobile applications. Example, Book My Show, Paytm, so many. Sir, mobile applications are developed by using Android and iOS. Android and iOS. So again, there are two types of categories. One is native browser apps. What is native? What is browser means? So native application means for that browser is not required. If net is available, simply you can open. Example, WhatsApp. To open WhatsApp, any browser is not required. To open Skype, browser is not required. Google Pay, Phone Pay. If net is available, automatically I can open. Suppose in your mobile you can open my selenium by Mahesh.com. There is no app. Compulsory first you can open Chrome browser or something. In that you can type selenium by Mahesh.com. That is the difference. So native app means without the browser I can open it. That is called as native. Browser app means with the help of the browser only I need to open application. That is called as a browser applications. Are you getting it? So this is the categories of applications, sir. So system software and application software. System software is basic input output BIOS. Application softwares are front end. Application software categories are there: desktop applications, web applications, enterprise applications, distributed mobile. Desktop means single computer. Two are there: CUI and GUI. CUI means console based. Yes, any Java program. GUI means graphical user interface, MS Word, calculator, everything. Next, web. The application which are running on the server. So one web server. By using browser, I can access it. That is web client. That is called as a web application category. Next, enterprise. Enterprise are more superior than web applications. Web application extension is where web archive. Enterprise applications are here and enterprise archive. Mobile apps. Everybody knows about the mobile categories. Native and browser applications. So next level, we need to discuss about 3 layers. In application. Nothing. Console based means Java program. Samla. Console based application we are not using Java program because whenever I can run the Java program, see from the command prompt, if you run any application, that is called as console based. Here we are running the program. Here we are getting the result. Suppose if I run any Python program, so I am getting output here itself only. See, sorry, 1 second. See where I am running in the console I am running now. Yes, output is coming now. This is called a console based applications. I am running through command prompt only. Here no GUI. That is called as a console based. Next, 3 layers are there. So completely in the console command prompt I am running. For every application 3 layers are there. Presentation layer, business or application layer, data layer. 3 are there. Every application. Yes. So what is presentation layer? What is a business layer? What is the data layer? I will explain. So once you will get clarity about these 3 layers, based on these, software architectures are there. Software architectures. That is content architecture, 2 tier, 3-tier. Peer-to-peer. 5 architectures are available there. So what is architecture means? Before going to that, I want to tell about the layers. So how many layers are there? Any application, you can take any web application, HTML, Gmail, Facebook, Facebook, anything. 3 layers are there in every application. Those 3 layers are presentation layer, business layer, application layer, data layer. Business or application both are same only. Anything you can call. Based on these 3 layers, the architecture will be decided. Either I can go for 1-tier, 2-tier, 3-tier, n-tier, peer-to-peer. So once it is completed, then we can go to the SDLC. Main testing will be started. After that, SDLC models, 9 models. Now from SDLC onwards, testing concept should be started. Because this is all the just introduction part only, basic idea. Terminologies, not only idea, just terminologies. Whatever terminologies are there in the testing, those terminologies we are discussing. So today I have some work. I will wind up the session. Tomorrow I will continue. Regarding this, up here any doubts you can type in the chat panel, no problem. Please, any doubts you can ask. No doubts. So how many of you paid? Please pay the payments. I will be waiting. Ashok, have you paid the fee? Payment completed, Ashok? Because once payment completed, our team will give the link and everything. Payment is done, Ashok. Yes, sir. No, no, no. Something you can tell. Yeah, you will pay the fee. Immediately you can ask for online team. They will give the links and everything. Yes, remaining guys also, please, who are not completed payment, please do the payments. Please immediately make the payments. Okay, bye everyone.